Professor Americus Reed, the world's leading brand identity theorist, has edited a cutting-edge piece of research with Professor Mark Forehand that delves into the origins and consequences of identity loyalty that spans nearly every consumer marketing subdomain. This is a sneak peek of Chapter 9, Ownership and Identity, a Cognitive Perspective. In this chapter, the authors 1. Offer a cognitive analysis of the identity-related connections between consumers and their products, and 2. Describe the marketing implications of these connections for product judgments and consumer choice. Consumers form connections with products and incorporate them into their identities through obtaining legal or psychological ownership of these products. These identity connections have important and diverse cognitive implications. They fundamentally change how people judge owned and non-owned products, as well as alter how people evaluate themselves and behave. The authors divide their review of these cognitive implications into 2 domains. They first build on egocentric categorization theory to outline how the connection of consumers with specific products, for example, an Apple computer known for its creativity, affects their judgment and behavior in relevant domains, for example, creativity judgments and performance. For example, the authors explain when and how owning versus not owning an Apple computer can boost the consumer's perception of their own creativity and subsequently increase their creative behavior. The authors then use the seesaw self-model to describe how the connection between consumers and specific products affects their performance in irrelevant domains. This chapter is important and meaningful to consumers, marketers, and managers alike. It informs consumers of the various unintended ways in which the products they own can shape their judgments and behavior. It also informs managers and marketers of the specific ways in which gifts and rewards can serve as weapons of stealth influence that effectively shape employee performance and consumer choice. The authors discuss possible avenues for consumer identity research. With 30 additional chapters, this handbook establishes a comprehensive and state-of-the-art treatment of identity and marketing. It is the authoritative and practical guide for academics, brand managers, marketers, public policy advocates, and even intellectually curious consumers. Pick up your copy today and learn more at americusread.com.